So the new season of The Bachelorette is coming very soon. The Bachelorette herself is Hannah Brown. But the bios for the guys have officially been released. It's like, why? Look, all right, okay, we're going to stop here for a second because I'm single. I'm on Tinder. And there are certain things that I put in my profile, and there are certain things that I certainly leave out. So maybe these guys should take a few tips from me. Let's go through their bios. Okay. Oh, man. Brian, 30, from Louisville. He was born on Flag Day, so naturally it's his favorite holiday. It really doesn't get sexier than Flag Day. Cam. Cam's Instagram bio reads, good vibes only with AZ. The Notebook is his all-time favorite movie. No, it's not. Cam can freestyle rap about anything. Okay, freestyle rap about The Notebook. It's just... I haven't even gotten to this guy's bio, but his name is Chasen. Chasen, like... Isn't that a verb? According to Chasen... He once bought a Tiffany necklace for his girlfriend, but she dumped him before he could give it to her, so he gave it to his sister instead. I feel like me and Chasen would get along. Connor S. is looking at me real hard right now. Connor loves, all caps, Justin Bieber. Okay. But he swam competitively in college, so that would be an automatic rose from me. Have you seen swimmers' bodies? Me neither. Want to someday. Oh, no, I'm gonna get fired. Darren looks like he's about to sell me a house. Dustin. Oh, Dustin's the one that's gonna sell me a house. He's a real estate broker. Grant. Ooh, he is unemployed. This guy sounds gross. He said he's hoping his blunt realness stands out to Hannah. Anytime a guy has told me, you know, I'm just really honest and real, it just means that he's Jed. Jed says that he can shoot a rubber band with freakish accuracy. Again, things that you shouldn't put in your bio. Not important. Not a selling point. Joe. Why do all of these guys look like they're going to sell me a house? I thought it was just the one guy, but it's all of them. Maybe it's the Blazers? I don't know. Joey. When guys say that they like adventures, that usually just means they're afraid of commitment, so... John Paul Jones. When referring to John Paul Jones, always use his full name, John Paul Jones. John Paul Jones. John Paul Jones rarely uses words that are less than 3 syllables long. It makes sense because every part of his name is 3 syllables. John Paul Jones. Okay, Jonathan. Jonathan loves sparklers. You know what? Yeah, I mean, yeah, who doesn't? Who doesn't love a good sparkler on a dark night? Like, just light it up and wave it in the air. I'm going to put that in my Tinder bio. Get ready, everybody. Mateo, he's 25. He is a sperm donor who has helped create 114 children. 114 children? Oh, my God. What are you doing, Mateo? 114 kids? I can't even consider getting a dog right now. Matthew, how can we even move on from Mateo? How can we keep going? How can we move forward? I guess we have to. No, we don't, because this is my video and I can do what I want. I can't look at any more of these good Christian boys, so we're going to end on the sperm donor, and I'm also going to end on the message that now I feel like I need to ask guys that I'm dating how many times they've donated sperm. Tell me who your favorite new Bachelorette contestant is in the comments.